Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
Gattu's video game. Gattu and Chinky have returned home from school.
Come on, kids. The lunch is ready. Go, get freshen up. You must be hungry by now, right?
Yes, Mummy. I'm famished. And I think you have made chole bhature today. Wow, it smells just mouth-watering, Mummy.
Of course it will be. I made them for you with so much love. Now come on, take it. It will get cold otherwise. Then it won't taste as good.
Okay, Mummy.
Gattu and Chinky took a seat at a dining table. Mummy served them chole bhature on their plates. Chinky was very excited to eat, but Gattu seemed lost in his world.
Mummy, where is your phone?
My phone? Why do you want my phone, Gattu?
I just want it. Tell me where it is, Mummy.
First tell me why do you need it?
You won't understand.
Oh really? Is that so? Chinky, you tell me what is going on.
Mummy, he wants to play that game. Don't give him the phone.
Mind your own business, Chinky.
There is a new game in the market and all of his friends were talking about it. That game is played on the phone.
Oh, okay. Which game is it?
Mummy, it's a car racing game. Zoom Zoom X. It has lots of fast cars like Ferrari, Bugatti, and you can use them to play. All of my friends play that game. Mummy, I also want to play. Can I play it for a while after I finish? Please, Mummy, please.
Okay. You can play the game, but first finish your lunch.
Thank you, Mummy. You're the best. Mummy, don't trust his sweet words. He will be glued to the phone and will not listen to anyone at all.
Mummy laughed at Chinky's warning tone. Gattu finished his meal and grabbed Mummy's phone.
Look, Gattu, it's 2 o'clock now. I want it back by 3 o'clock. Understand?
Okay, Mummy. Don't worry. I will give it back. Yes, Mummy. 1 more hour, please. I have crossed 1 level by now. I will give it back at 4 o'clock, for sure.
And it continued till 7 o'clock. Gattu and Chinky's papa returned home from office.
Oh, you are home? Please talk to Gattu. He has been playing games on my phone since afternoon and hasn't returned yet.
Gattu, give Mummy's phone back. If you keep playing games for so long, it will damage your eyes. Have you finished your homework? Chinky, has he finished his homework?
No, Papa. He has been playing games since we returned.
Gattu, give me the phone and go do your homework. You will not get the phone from now on. Listen, lock the phone with a password.
Gattu will never be able to guess it.
Gattu and Chinky were doing their homework in the evening, but Gattu's mind was consumed by the game.
Gattu, you look like a ghost. What are you doing this early, Gattu? Don't shout, Chinky. I have a headache.
You have been busy with the phone for the whole time. How will you go to school now?
Gattu, what happened to you? Are you not feeling well? He was playing Zoom Zoom X for the whole time. That's why he looks like this. What? Only Gattu can do such a thing. Didn't Mummy and Papa scold you? I was addicted to Zoom Zoom X once. And now, Mummy and Papa don't give me their phone anymore. Mummy Papa has locked the phone with the password. But Gattu cracked it. You are right. Anyway, today's Friday. We are meeting in the park in the evening to play games. Okay? You guys are coming, right? Yes. Yes. See you then. Come on, Gattu. Let's go to play. Everyone is going to be there. Hari, Pinky, Bunny, Goody, everyone. Come on, Gattu. Chinky, don't irritate me. You can go if you want to.
Chinky was surprised. Gattu was one of the boys who was always ready to play. Chinky was hurt a little bit. But more than that, she was concerned for Gattu. She went to play with a heavy heart. The next day also, Gattu was playing a game on the phone. And suddenly, he get an alert on the screen saying in big red letters, "Game update, please wait." Gattu got frustrated. He only wanted to play the game, but had to wait for the game to update.
It will take time to update the game. What can I do till then? Oh God. I should go and see what Chinky is doing. Mummy, where is Chinky?
What? You have actually put the phone aside? Chinky has gone out to play with her friends. Hari is also there. Are you going too?
Yes, Mummy, I'm also going. Hey Gattu, you came. We thought you forgot about us due to the game. Yes, we thought Zoom Zoom X replaced us in your life. Yes, I also felt the same. Come on, we are playing tag. You are a new player, so you will have to catch us. Run everybody.
Gattu tried to catch and tag them, but he's too weak to catch them. He was running very slowly. He started feeling dizzy. He was playing after many days, so he couldn't open his eyes due to the bright light. He was also sweating profusely and breathing heavily. Finally, due to weakness, Gattu fell to the ground. All of his friends were shocked to see this. They rushed to help him. Gattu started crying.
Gattu, what happened? Are you alright? No, Chicky, I'm feeling very weak. I feel that I will never be able to play anything. What will happen now, Chinky? Oh, for Gattu, you are a drama queen. You don't sleep well, nor do you eat properly. You just keep playing the game all day. So, it was bound to happen. Don't worry, Gattu. We will make you strong and happy once again. What do I have to do about it? For that you have to eat lots of green vegetables. And you have to play with us. You need good sleep too. And lots of vitamin D that you will get from sun rays. And the most important thing is, you will have to cut down the time spent on mobile games.
Gattu felt very bad, but he knew that Chinky was speaking the truth.
You are right, Chinky. I will spend less time on mobile games now.
Gattu really listened to Chinky and his friends. He went home and returned the phone to Mummy. Mummy gave him a tasty vegetable of okra with roti. He ate it happily. At night, he slept on time. His mummy papa were very happy that he is sleeping peacefully. In school, during recess, once again a new game was being discussed.
It is a new fantasy game. It has magicians and dragons. Really? Why, Gattu? Do you want to be a gaming monster once again? Yes, but not every day. Only once a week. Gattu, you cannot be helped. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.